It's a warm, sunny morning and Bunny has come to visit Chimpu at his place. Do you know that the mat on which Chimpu and Bunny are standing is a rectangular shape? This shape is known as a rectangle. It has 4 sides. This is also a rectangle. It has 1, 2, 3 and 4 sides. All the sides are not of the same size. It has 4 sides and they are not equal.
Yes, this side of the cupboard is a rectangle too.
Click on the correct shape. Try again. Well done! You found the rectangular shaped objects.
Now, let us sing the rectangle song.
A rectangle is a shape that has 4 sides. Oh, 2 sides are long, 2 sides are short, 2 sides are long, 2 sides are short. A rectangle is a shape whose sides are not same. No, it's a rectangle. It's a rectangle. It's a rectangle. The sides are not the same. No.